Okay, so see here the chapter which we are going to start, that is unit number 1, the some basic concepts of chemistry. I have said you at the starting in the first session that the chemistry it has been divided in basically in 3 categories. One, that is physical chemistry, second, that is organic chemistry, third one, that is inorganic chemistry. Even at starting I have said there are few chapters in the 11th standard. कुछ चैप्टर्स जो है वो 11th के जो है केमिस्ट्री के बेसिक्स, द फंडामेंटल, okay, I can also say I can roots to develop the chemistry, okay, which are very much important chapter, बहुत ज्यादा important है, ठीक है। तो ये वाला जो चैप्टर है वो शुरुआत में ही हम पढ़ने वाले हैं. These chapters we are going to start it at the early session only. So unit number 1, the name of the chapter, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. So what are the basic concepts which required in 11th as well as in 12th for both the class? केमिस्ट्री के बहुत सारे ऐसे कंसेप्ट्स है, ठीक है, जो दोनों स्टैंडर्ड में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, 11th एज वेल एज 12th क्लास. तो ये है चैप्टर का टाइटल, ठीक है. सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट इट. ये बुक का पीडीएफ मैंने ग्रुप में डाला है. इफ यू हैव नॉट रिसीव्ड, ओके, देन my number is already available in the groups, in whatever the groups you are there, okay, then you can ask me to forward you people, okay, or else I'll do one thing. Today itself I will repost the PDF of the chapter number 1. If you have purchased, my first important thing which I wanted to say you, that आप सबसे पहले टेक्स्ट बुक परचेस कर लीजिए, okay, try to purchase the textbook, okay. Why? Because if it is in mobile, then you will not able to read it for a longer time, okay. Other than reading you will do other things, so better to purchase the textbook as soon as possible, okay, so that you will able to understand whatever today I used to explain, and tomorrow you can recollect this, okay. So try to purchase the textbook as much as faster. Now I said the name of the chapter, that is the some basic concepts of the chemistry. There are few important topics, okay. Even second thing I have said in between that when the few topics of this chapter will able to finish it, the topic of NEET will also start togetherly. साथ में नीट के टॉपिक्स भी स्टार्ट कर लेंगे, ओके. So we have the chapter number 1, that is some basic concepts of chemistry. Yes, total number of students they are 20, including me it is 21. See, in all the chapters, the starting of the chapter, if you will see, अगर if you have purchased the books, तो आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, केमिस्ट्री हो, फिजिक्स हो, बायोलॉजी हो, then the starting of the chapter few lines are written, okay. So here we have the few lines, you can see it over there, that is Just a minute. कुछ लाइन्स है, वो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे. So the chemistry is the science of molecules and their transformations. Science of molecules and their transformation. That is called as in chemistry. Chemistry क्या है? Science of transformations. Study of molecules, study of ions, study of an atom. Okay. This all together we can call it as a chemistry. Okay. Just a minute.